Hey everyone, I Dr. Lalna welcome you to yet another session of Law for Beginners, Law Simplified. Today we shall talk about offences by the public servants and those related to public servants. Who are public servants? Those people who are compensated or paid for their services by the government are called public servants. Example, judicial people, police department, government hospitals. Now that we have understood who the public servants are, let's see what are the offenses that they can be punished for. Offenses that particularly come under offenses by public servants come in section 166 to section 171 of IPC. Section 166 tells us about disobedience by public servant. If the public servant doesn't obey the directions that are given to him to conduct any investigations or to reach the site of investigations or to file the investigations according to the law, then he is committing a crime. But this has to be with the intention that he wants to have injury to the other person with whom the crime has happened. There is one subclause in section 166 that is regarding the doctors working in hospitals, whether it is public or private hospital done by state government, central government or any local authorities. If they deny to treat the victim, then they come under offences by public servant. There are offences related to trade. Some public servants are bound by law that they cannot engage themselves in any kind of trade. If these people intentionally engage themselves into some trades, then it becomes a public offence. Then there are documentations that are needed to be done by public servants. If they make false documents that can cause injury to the other person, then they are committing an offence. Example can be driving license or birth certificate. If they make false documentations of this, then they are liable for punishment. Some public servants are bound by law that they cannot buy property or bid for the property if in their own name or in some other person's name, or if they want to buy it jointly with other person or in sharing with other person, but they are bound by law that they cannot do so. But if they do so, then they commit an offence. These are a few offences that come under the offences by public servants. What are the punishment for this? The punishment may extend from minimum 1 year to a maximum of 3 years of imprisonment plus fine or both. Let's see some of the offences that are related to public servants but not done by public servants. Some of the people, they fraudulently, with the intention to do fraud, impersonate themselves like a public servant. Like if someone tries to act as a tax officer or police officer and commit some crime, then he is doing a offense related to public servant. Then if any normal person, general person wears the official clothes that are specifically for the public servants, or they carry the tokens means some documentations or some batches which are made specifically for public servants, then they are committing an offence related to public servants. Let's take an example. If I put a sticker of advocate on my car, and if I am not an advocate, then it becomes an offense. If I put an sticker of judge in my car, but then I am not a judge, so I am committing an offense. So in short, you see, public servants are bound by law that they have to abide by the rules that are made for them. I hope you found this session interesting and informative. If so, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.